How to upload music to Spotify on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can upload music from your local files to your Spotify app on iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you have some of the audio files that are on your device and now you want to listen to them on Spotify, not the ones that are on Spotify but the ones on your local device. So in that case, just go ahead and launch the Spotify app, and once you launch Spotify, you'll see this kind of interface. Tap on the gear icon which you see on the top right hand side of the screen, and as you tap on the gear icon over here, you have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find a section that says local files. As you could see, just tap on the local files option and you can see it says show audio files from this device, and that is exactly what we are looking for. So what we will do is we'll simply turn on the toggle right next to this and it'll ask me for a confirmation, so just tap on the OK button. Now what we can do is, after we've allowed this permission, come back to your Spotify app, and now what we will do is we'll just go to the option that says your library, and basically you'll be able to see a new playlist over here that says local files. Now these are the songs that are currently on your device and not on your Spotify app, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then upload music from your local file to Spotify on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.